keywording is an important feature when working with images, so you or your client can find the images fast. And here inside Lightroom, you have the keywording field, and there you can add keywords. And this is really, let's say really intuitive. I just go to the folder and I just will select all the images like here and just go to the keyword tag, go over here and just say pink, for example. And when I press on the enter key, you see all of these images over here have a keyword. And why do you see this? Because you have this small icon over here. Photo has keywords. This image over here don't have any keywords. So if I want to add keywords to all of these images, I can select all images, Command A, and go here in. Do you have a shortcut for this as well? This is Command K. So when I'm just here on the image and I want to add a keyword, Command K, and this is Tina. So just enter. And now you see all the selected images have Tina as a keyword. But just a few of them have pink as a keyword because there's the asterisk. So just a few of the images have pink, all of the images have Tina as a keyword. But there's more. And when you go down over here, you have keyword suggestions. And when you press on the small icon over here, you see some keywords from before. Here on the bottom, you have keyword sets. And when I open this one, you see I have the recent keywords. And there's Tina, there's pink, and some other keywords I used before. For example, when I go down and here's also some pink fashion, I can select the images till here, let's say. And now I can say, okay, I just want to have pink as an additional keyword over here. That's cool. But what you can also do is click on this small icon over here. So you have this pull down menu, and then you have some possibilities to work with keyboard sets or with keyword sets, not with keyboard sets. And here you can say, I want to edit a set. And then you have the edit keyword set dialog. And you see, okay, this is the custom keyword. And then I can say, okay, pink, Tina, and I want to delete these sets over here. And I just want to start over here with Tina. Then I can delete this one. And then let's say pink, yellow, white, and go over here. And let's say makeup, like this. And then I can say I want to save the current set as a new preset. And here go to Tina. This new preset should be called Tina. And I change it. And now see I have the keyboard set Tina. And that's cool because now I can go in, select images, and just press, for example, on yellow. Or maybe here I want to go with white and not with yellow. And from here to here, this is makeup. And so I can really fast apply keywords. But the really nice thing is you can also apply these keywords via shortcuts. So for example, if I want to go from here to here and add the white shortcut or the white keyword via shortcut, I can hold down the Option key on my Mac, and now you see next to the white or next to every keyword I have a number. And Option 9 is adding the keyword white. And when I go over here, I have pink, okay, so I don't have to do anything over there. But let's say here I want to add white as well. So I just go till, let's say till here. Then I can say Option 9 and these keywords get added. So just think about the possibilities you have with keyboard sets. You can go in and create sets for your shooting that helps you select certain attributes for your photos. And with the Option key and the numbers on your keyboard, you can select images or select keywords for your images really, really fast. That's a really cool tool. Trust me, work with this. Keyboard sets in combination with shortcuts are a fast way to work.